It's a memo ordering the report and another email acknowledging its existence.
We got him.
Natural, for lack of a better word. I mean, it raises all sorts of philosophical type questions, you know, about the nature of self, about the existence of a soul, you know. Am I me? Is Malkovich Malkovich?
You're furious with them, but they do love you, and they pay for your existence. But you can't let them see any of that anger.
I'm not angry at them.
No, absolutely not.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word existence. It means the state or fact of existing, being. Also means continuance in being or life, a struggle for existence. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce existence, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to zis. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how existence is used in real life.
All sorts of philosophical type questions, you know.
So great. Have you guys proved the existence of en route radiation?
False security, parents, and material excess.
Report. Here it is.
It's a memo.
Must have been premeditated. We've been abducted by a crazed psychopath.
But they do love you, and they pay for your existence.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.